Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is lecture 8 for class 8 and 9th. Unit number 1, Savior of Mankind, book English for class 9th. So students, let's start unit 1, Savior of Mankind, as we have discussed. First of all, you have to underline the difficult words from the paragraphs. Paragraph 1, unparalleled, trackless, dunes, starry, Red Sea. Again, lesson. Unparalleled, trackless, dunes, starry, Red Sea. Then paragraph 2. Possessed, remarkable, eloquent, eloquence, ukaz, narrated, exclusively, promulgation, dispensation. Again, listen. Possessed, remarkable, eloquence, eloquent, eloquence, ukaz, narrated, exclusively, promulgation, dispensation. Then paragraph 3, you have to underline verge, chaos, crumbling. Verge, chaos, crumbling. Then paragraph 4, you have to underline solitude, meditation, retire. Again lesson, solitude, meditation, retire. Then paragraph 5, overflowing, profound, compassion, eradicate, wrong beliefs. Same paragraph, social evils, cruelty, injustice, bestowed, clot, bountiful. Paragraph 6, proclaim, nexus, divine, bliss. Paragraph 7, dominance, pagan, renounce, delegation, restrain, enmity, dilemma, abandon, perish. Again listen. Paragraph 7, dominance, pagan, renounce, delegation, restrain, enmity, dilemma, abandon, perish. Students, now you have to note down the meanings of these words. Paragraph 1, trackless, first of all, unparalleled, unmatched, unique, बेमिसाल जैसा कोई ना हो. Then trackless, pathless, no ways. These are deserts में कोई रास्ता नहीं होता. For that, dunes, mounts, टीले, like रेत के टीले. Starry, full of stars. Starry sky like Red Sea. समंदर का हिस्सा जो मक्का शहर से 50 मील के फासले पर है. पार्ट ऑफ ओशन विच इज़ 50 miles away from the Red Makkah city. Then paragraph 2, possessed, to own, मालिक होना. Remarkable, important. Eloquent, wise. Eloquence, wisdom. अक्लमंदी, और wise होता है अक्लमंद. Ukaz, name of place in Arabia. Narrated, to describe, to express. Exclusively, particularly, खास तौर पर. Promulgation, advent, आमद, आना. Dispensation, spreading of message, पैगाम का फैलना. Then paragraph 3, verge, edge, किनारा, chaos, confusion, crumbling, breaking into. Then paragraph 4, solitude, loneliness, tanhai, meditation, thinking deeply in silence, murakba, retire, to stop. Then paragraph 5, overflowing, come out of, profound, great, compassion, enthusiasm, jazba, eradicate, to remove, wrong belief, गलत अकायद. Same paragraph students. Social evils, माशरती बुराइयाँ. Cruelty, state of being cruel, जुल्म. Injustice, unfair, नाइंसाफ़ी. Bestowed, confer as a gift, नवाजना, नवाजना. Clot, congealed, neither thick nor solid, gosht ka lothra, bountiful, merciful, rahmdil. Allah is bountiful, Mohsin. Then paragraph 6, proclaim, to announce, ऐलान करना. Nexus, tohmat, a complicated series of connection between different things. Divine, related to God. Bliss, perfect happiness. Paragraph 7, students. You are supposed to underline the meanings as well and spelling as well. Dominance, influence, ghalba. Pagan, non-Muslim, like pagan Arabs. Renounce, ऐलान कर देना लोगों के सामने, मजमे के सामने कि ईमान बाकी नहीं रहा. To stop publicly that no longer the particular belief. Delegation, group of people. Restrain, to stop, rokna, rukna. Enmity, dushmani. Dilemma, a difficult situation, forced to choose one of two alternatives. दो ऑप्शंस हों, दोनों ही आपको नामंजूर हो, लेकिन उनमें से एक को चूज़ करना. इन उर्दू इट इज़ नोन एज मखमसा. Abandon, to leave. Perish, to destroy. So students, this lecture was about your word and meanings. Again, you have to listen to important word in it are unparalleled. You have to learn it for spellings. Red Sea, underline. Eloquent, eloquence, important word for meanings and spellings. Exclusively, promulgation, dispensation, possessed. Chaos, verge. Meditation, overflowing, compassion. Eradicate, bountiful, divine bliss. Nexus, dominance, pronounce, delegation. Then enmity, dushmani, perish, abandon. These words are important for your